actually I have someone here to help me, so I'm very excited about this video. Y'all, as you can see, like I just washed my hair maybe about 45 minutes ago. Still a little wet, but it's like, it looks like I haven't had any maintenance done in a minute. But the reason why I'm so excited about this video is because we are doing some interlocking today. So I've never, look, as you can see, I've never had interlocking done, like ever, on my hair. So I'm really excited to see like how long it's gonna last and how it's gonna maintain itself, you know, because with the palm rolling, like it's hit or miss sometimes. And y'all know I've been doing my own hair for a minute now, so I'm pretty much used to doing the same thing over and over and over. So this is something different and something new, and I'm ready. I'm down for it. I definitely need it. It looks like it's been weeks, y'all, but I just did my hair recently, but I got in the pool a couple days ago, so. Y'all, this is Ty.
Oh,
Let me put this is Ty, y'all. She's about to do this interlocking stuff with my hair, because she know how to do this stuff. She has sister locks actually, and she started hers herself, and she does the interlocking thing all the time to her own hair. Like, she got this in the bag, so I have no worries at all. I feel like I'm in good hands. She got it. So I'm gonna let her do her thing. Yeah, it is a lot.
It's a lot of new curl. But that's good. That's good.
Is it?
Yeah. Make it easy.
Okay. I was like, oh Lord, I hope that's not gonna be a problem. Especially like these on the sides. Like, it's just extra here, like
yeah,
and stuff.
You're just gonna pop that up in there.
Okay.
Oh, you tender-headed?
No.
Okay, good, because I don't have a soft hand.
I'm not tender-headed at all. Like, do your thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put her Instagram in the video, like over here or down there, probably in all those places.
Bing, bing, bow, bow.
Bow, 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 bow. So while she's doing the interlocking maintenance on one side of my hair, I am going to be doing some crochet maintenance on the other side of my hair. So I've done a couple videos on crochet maintenance before, like my, you know, the little crochet journey that I've been on over the past couple of months to a year or so now. And I'm coming to find out that it's kind of a continuous thing with the needle, as far as making sure that, you know, if you're combined, that the combinations are secure enough. So after I washed my hair, I just kind of took a look at it, and I see some places where I just want the bonds to be a little bit more secure. So I'm going to go through and handle those while Ty handles the roots. So yeah, I don't know how long this is going to take y'all, but we just going to do it. However long it takes, we just going to do it.
Not that long.
Oh, that's good to know.
Because I'm using my fingers now. I'm not even using the needle to do this.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I think my mom used to use her fingers for my brothers too.
Like to start?
Yeah.
Especially if you have a lot of new growth. You don't, because by the
Resuming Apple Music.
Bitch!
Niggas playing like they demons. They don't really mean it.
It's a ghost in here. No, Alexa is listening to this conversation. But that was my song though. That was my song. What was you saying? Oh,
Hell, I forgot.
I forgot too.
If you have enough new growth, you can just like push it in, push it through. Because the needle will end up catching on the hair and pulling and all that good. Like, yeah, it's, you wasting time by the time you start with the needle if you have a lot of new growth. I use the needle mainly when I'm closer to the scalp.
Okay, y'all, so we had a brief intermission and it's almost done. We are almost done with this here. I can't really see what has been done, and I don't want to see till it's done, so I'm trying not to look, but almost there. So just wanted to give a quick little update. Yeah, it's a lot of new growth there. My last retwist did not last at all.
Yeah, this one gonna last for good.
That's what we need. That's what we need. All right. We'll be back when we are done. How long was that? How long did that take?
What time is it? Well, what time got started? About 12:40. It's about 2 hours.
That's not bad. Took about 2 hours, y'all. Look at my damn scalp. I can't believe you can see my scalp so clear right now. It felt like it didn't take any time, but I really.
Yeah, it was pretty quick.
And it's sectioned off so much better than when I retwisted. It's sectioned off way better.
I mean, it was just your hair, really. Now you needed some baby hairs. You got a toothbrush?
Oh my God. Oh, of course I do. Put a comb up there, a little comb.
Oh, nobody using keys.
Use the keys.
I'm glad you don't make hairs. It's okay. I don't know what kind of. Oh, it's okay.
Close up.
A mohair.
Look at it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Y'all know one thing that I really don't like about the way that I retwist, like with the palm rolling method. Like I always find myself having to do another style on top of it to maintain or like make sure it stays a little bit longer. And I never get to see my hair straight. And now seeing my hair straight and like seeing the scalp at the same time. It's nice. Okay. I think that's all I got. Alright, y'all. This was a really quick video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Follow Ty, please. Follow her personal page. Follow her business page. Follow her best friend's page. Follow all these pages that I'm about to put in all these spaces.
I got a dog.
And follow Darby's page as well. Alright? That's a baby. Alright, I'll see y'all next time.